Okay, so when we look at this scenario here, I'm going to use this graph here to answer part D. And I'm going to pretend that here is 2,000 on the x. And so here's the line x equals 2,000, which is what it's talking about in that place here. So I know that on that line there, this is y equals 2,000. If x equals 2,000, and let's say y equals 1,000 here, that means y will tend to here and go, that will become extinct. If the y is this value, it still becomes extinct. If it's here, it still becomes extinct. So anytime your y value is below this line y equals x, it will become extinct. So write down a condition on the size of initial population of y so to avoid reducing to 0. That means you want y to be bigger than 2,000. If y is bigger than 2,000, then you're up here, and then x becomes extinct. If y equals 2,000, that's the other part. You could say bigger than or equal to 2,000. If it's equal to 2,000, then both x and y grow together the same amount.